Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom home with helper's quarters. It is nestled in the peaceful and sought after community of McKinley, Mandeville. This home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Designed for modern living, this property provides ample space for families, retirees, or individuals seeking a serene retreat in the cool hills of Mandeville. Property features that stand out includes 3 well-sized bedrooms, including a primary suite with an ensuite bathroom for added privacy and comfort. 2 full bathrooms with functional layouts, open concept spaces that invite natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A well appointed kitchen with ample counter space and storage. Generous yard space, ideal for gardening, relaxation, or entertaining guests. Located in a well established neighborhood, this property offers easy access to schools, shopping centers, healthcare facilities, and major roadways. Buy this home and enjoy the cool climate of Mandeville. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37 million, US 234.5 thousand, Canadian 335.6 thousand, or 182.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.